going on, man?
Da, you are back, yeah?
But I got one.
Da, here. What am I doing? What would I be thinking about? Is your middle name?
A middle name?
Da, yes, is it K or is it Mr. Hard?
Oh, no, 762 should be.
Da,
Yeah, there we go. What's your middle name?
Lex. Da,
There you
thank
go,
you.
brother.
Let me take down number. I call you a little later when I
I
go to
got you.
bank.
555.
Da, 555.
No one.
You said 01?
Yeah.
0.
101.
Oh,
One
hold
one.
on. We do that again. 5551
101.
da
845.
845
8415.
8415
15.
da
And my name is Malik.
da.
I bet. Go.
Da.
Let me
Let me
know
check
about
number
that coke,
two.
Malik.
You said what, brother?
I said, let me know about that coke, Malik. I'd love to process it for you, man.
For sure, for sure. I'm gonna let you know, brother.
Sounds good.
For sure. Come on, let's go, homie.
They like to jump a lot, don't they?
Da. They're happy individuals.
They skip.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What you want to do, though, boy?